Hi friends, in this video tutorial we would be studying about the if function in Power Query. Let me show you how you can do that. First you can see that we are given a sheet in which we have the list of participants, their portfolio score and their application score. Now we want to call all those employees for interview whose portfolio score plus application score is greater than or equal to 13. Let me show you how you can do that. First, click anywhere inside the data. After clicking over there, then right click and select Get Data from Table Range. Now over here, select Add Column, and in Add Column, select Custom Column. In Custom Column, first change the heading of the column to Interview, and then over here you construct a if formula by stating if portfolio score plus application score is greater than or equal to 13, then display interview, else nothing. Now you can see at the bottom it is showing us a check mark. No syntax errors have been detected. So we'll click on OK, and you will see a third column is created called as interview, and all those people whose portfolio score plus application score is greater than or equal to 13, it will be shown as interview over here. Otherwise, it will be blank. To bring this data into Microsoft Excel, click on Home and select Close and Load. This will bring the entire data into Microsoft Excel. So with this, we end this video tutorial. We'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.